Hello, my name is swissbianco. This is part 2 of the filework Swiss Army knife video in September 2014. The lowest row we had and a bit in the middle row as well. Now we have the 58mm Swiss Army knife. Sometimes the camera has a bit problem because it's so really shiny, but you still should get the impression how that looks. The copper Swiss Army knives were made as a limited edition for swissbianco as well. Of course, the blade is way smaller than the 93mm, so that makes for a smaller file work. Then we have a few of the Alox Mini Champ. This one in silver Alox. Of course, the 58mm with the file work would be also really nice as a gentleman knife. Something that not everybody has. Then we did one of the orange farmer Swiss Army knife. It's the only one that we did with the file work. Then we have a Yeoman 91mm. And as we open the knife, blade that shows a bit. How that looks. It's just the blade that is file work, not the spring. The spring did weaken up too much by the lost material, so that did not get approved. And then we have the Cyber Yeoman. That is a variant of the EO-Man that was also a limited edition for Swiss Bianco. A really rare, unique knife. It has the bit holder. There are only few knives from Victorinox that has the bit holder. Few models. That is one of it, and for sure the one that was made in the smallest number ever. Yeah, that was it, the part 1 and part 2 of the September 2014 fileworked Victorinox Swiss Army knives by US artist Tom Stratton. Thanks a lot for all the help to Victorinox and of course to Tom Stratton to make this possible. Next step gonna be making some pictures of them and then list them for sale. If you don't get the newsletter yet, I would hardly suggest that you sign up for the free newsletter at swissbianco.com.